Bigfoot. Possible sighting in PERKIOMENVILLE, PA. Hello. Recently, I've had an encounter with something, but I'm currently unsure as to what. Was told to post here, as obviously you're all more familiar with this stuff. Due to the pandemic and other personal factors, I've moved in with some family to the rural side of Pennsylvania. My aunt's house, where I'm at, sits on one of several hills with a meadow below it. She also owns several acres of woods with a creek running through them, and so on. Very desolate place. One morning, roughly a week ago, Thursday, I woke up around 5 a.m. to some twigs snapping. I went outside and walked downhill to the meadow, and by some holly bushes that border the woods, I saw a large figure looking ahead. I called out, at first assuming it was a person, as on occasion we will get hunters, but these are neighbors who give proper identification and basically let us know when they'll be around. Instead of responding, the figure walked away. It seemed to almost shrink into the woods. It was a large figure, easily 6 feet minimum. I didn't get the greatest look at it, as it was dark and somewhat far away, but I saw heavy, shaggy fur. Looked like quills. I want to say multiple layers of it. Set back face. I noticed large eyebrows and a nose, the head sunk into the torso. Mix of browns and grays, maybe. I returned to the spot in a few hours and stepped over behind the bushes. All the holly berries from the plants were gone. They were there a few days prior. There were also indents in the ground, maybe footprints. There were sticks snapped off of the trees, thrown across the ground. I was certainly unsettled, so I looked into it further, and I think I've come to the conclusion that this might have been some sort of ape or ape man. Not a hunter, not a crackhead, which do show up occasionally. Nothing like that. It was an ape, I think.